This solid 2003 Ford Ranger is equipped with a responsive 3.0-liter V6 engine, reliable transmission, and has the power of rear-wheel drive. Its electronic and entertainment features include an AM/FM stereo with the CD player and a 4-speaker sound system. It also gets an estimated 23 miles per gallon on the highway, and 19 in the city. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and for your comfort this truck has a power outlet and a ventilation system, and not to mention that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. The safety features on this vehicle include driver and passenger front airbags with the on or off switch for the passenger side. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.
Hanson Dodge City Jeep is located west of